In this video I'm gonna share my results using ChatGPT for making money with Shopify. But first, let's start from the beginning. Before anything else, I needed to find a good product. So I went to AliExpress and started looking for it. After browsing in their website for several minutes, I managed to find this product. It looks catchy and I like the idea of it. So I ordered some of them so I not waste any more time on the shipping. The first thing I noticed is that the title is too big and I need to make another one. And also I don't want my buyers to look for the same name in AliExpress and find it cheaper and order it from there. So I have asked ChatGPT, I got the lamp, can you give me 5 titles for it? Then I got an answer, but I noticed that the titles are not so catchy and they are very long. So I've asked another one, can you give me these titles in shorter form? And really my eye got caught off this stylish luminosity, so I'm picking that for my name for my product. Another problem is the description. So I've asked it, can you give me a description for stylish luminosity? And I got one. I have read it and I find it nice, so I decided to use this. Then I needed a platform so I can promote my product, and in my case I have used TikTok. Then I needed some ideas to make some videos about in TikTok, so I've asked, give me 10 ideas for stylish luminosity for sales in TikTok. So I got 10 ideas on which I've used a few of them. Some of the videos I created myself, others I have downloaded from other TikTok creators. And on the very first day I got 0 orders. On day number 2 I got my first orders, which are for total for $178.05. For day number 3 I got an orders for the amount of $224.17. On day number 4 I got the orders for the amount of $43.04. And on the last day 5 I got the amount of $92.19, making that to a total of $537.45. And when I take my expenses out, I'm coming to around $444.95. Dividing that by 5, I'm making around $88.99 per day. If you want to see some more methods using ChatGPT, check out this video right here. I'm showing 5 methods that you can make money from it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.